Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, guys, I will show you how you can actually quick chat or chat really quick. So now, guys, I will need you to go to your game, open Valorant, and then open the launcher, log into your account, and click on play. So this gameplay will be opened, or this window shall be opened. Now I shall show you what is the different kind of chat that existed in Valorant first. So if I click here on play, and as you can see, this is the party where you can invite your friend and play together. So here, as you can see, you will find party chat. So if I click on it, and if you want to like send a message, you just have to send it here. And if you wanted to like see the other message, because as you can see, my message has disappeared. So if you want to keep the chat open, you can just click on this icon in here, and it will be opened until you turn it off. And basically, if you want to send a message to a friend, you just have to go here to your friends list, and it doesn't matter if it was like playing Valorant or League of Legends. You just have to click on him. So, for example, let's click on this guy or whatever you want. So let me just find someone. hmm some for example this one. So here I will just go okay, I will need someone to be online. So for example this one, I will go here, click on send message, and as you can see, it turns into the private message, which is to all my EOC, or the name of the player that I want to send the message to. Well, there is the third message, which is the chat, which is the all chat, which actually you can only text that inside of the games. So if you're an unrated competitive workplace, Spycraft deathmatch escalation, or even a custom game with your friends, you can actually do it. How? Just click on alt and then enter, and it will be turned directly into like an all message, so even the enemies can actually see it. So yeah, guys, that's how you can actually quick chat in Valorant. Thank you a lot for watching, and see you in the next video.